Hey, what's up everybody? Just checking in on the spring break vlog. Today is Tuesday, the Tuesday of spring break week. Today is pretty much all about maintenance. We're doing home maintenance. We got a few projects we got to do at the house. Pretty much they're all gonna be small projects. Oh, I got a big bump right here on my lip. Ugh, can't stand that. But I guess it's spring break, I'm letting myself go. But a few projects we got to do. We got to fix the thing underneath the door. There's a strip that keeps, I guess, critters from coming inside underneath the door. We got to fix that. We got to change the air filters. We're also going to change the filters in the refrigerator. And let's see, what else we got to do? What else we had on that list of projects to do? The little thing underneath the door, the air filters, the refrigerator filter. Oh yeah, we might paint the doors because sometimes before we pretty good. Sometimes when we take Lady out, or sometimes when we leave her in a room to put her away when we have guests. Sometimes we'll put her in our bedroom, and sometimes she'll be just ready to go out, and she'll be jumping up on the door, and her clothes will be scratching the wall. Oh, Shay just dropped a quarter. There you go. But yeah, that's why we're in here. We just popped into Walmart. We were originally going to go to Home Depot or Lowe's because that's a home improvement place, but I figured we could pick up everything here at Walmart, the good old neighborhood Walmart. Oh, and I'm also going to pick up onions and tomatoes for my garden. So yeah, and that rain just started pouring down. So I'll probably get into the garden tomorrow or Thursday. We're still at Walmart from picking up the home maintenance stuff. This place caught our eye. Shay's trying to see if she can get her iWatch repaired. So yeah, we're in here trying to see if it could be repaired.
We be looking at like 170.
I don't hate 170, but when you compare it to,
I think, because I know the Series 3s are
like
170
200
or even less. I know the Walmart has sales on them all the time too. And but the only reason, sort of, I don't know if you heard on the phone, it's a similar thing with the watches. The only screen sold for the watches are coming from Apple. And of course, getting a good quality part, but it's going to be an expensive part.
I got you.
And since they're still, like I think I told you earlier, they're still making these in the factories. So the cost of a Series 3 screen, even though it's 2 years old, it's going to be the same cost like a Series 5 screen. And you can get Series 3. Not only do you get a new screen, you get a new battery, you get the water sealant that's already attached to the pump, or probably the pump with the device and everything. All around, probably a little bit more cost efficient just to get another one. I hate when I have to say that, but that's usually repairs are a lot cheaper to do it. But in cases like this, it would probably be easier to replace the whole watch, especially because it's not something that really stays on here too. You can just transfer stuff over and don't lose any data or anything. All around, I guess you would sort of see what your offers are, see what's on your table. If everything seems like for some reason the best way to go, I'd be happy to do it for you. I think in this situation it might be easier for us to do.
Alrighty, we had a good run, me and her.
So that's
about 3-4 years, but I don't know what. Yeah, I just was like putting in groceries. Not that I haven't like banged it, and it didn't mess up in the future. But I was like getting groceries out of the car, and I'm like,
And it was still working.
And it still works. It still works.
I saw it like that because the time when I told you like the battery popped it up, like the whole thing came off, like it was fully intact.
I was gonna say, I wonder if I like cracked the corner. I don't know how the whole thing popped up, but yeah.
It would still work. So like, the whole.
They were just now leaving. Yeah, I just saw that coming out here.
That's funny. We normally in the mall.
All right, so we're just now coming out of the Apple Watch repair guy. Looks like it's over for my girl's watch. The guy said he couldn't repair it. He can repair it, but the price that they have to repair it for, it would be cheaper or more cost efficient to buy a new one. About to get out here in the rain again.
Wow, go pick me up.
Oh, I can do that, I guess.
Yeah, you don't have to.
Okay, so the guy, all right, so nobody's gonna be able to repair her watch for the price that she could just get a new one. My girl doesn't know that I'm actually planning to buy her a new Apple Watch. Ever since this one broke, I saw that her spirit was just all deflated and kind of depressing, and yeah. So instead of getting my truck repaired, which I had planned to do over spring break, I'm just gonna use that money to buy her a new watch. She doesn't know it yet, so that's gonna be the surprise. All right, so this is the next day, the very next day, and this was supposed to be a surprise, but y'all know surprises don't last long in this household, so yeah, I don't know how she found it. Well, all right, so last night we were playing this couples game, and it was like a back and forth talking thing. And the question was, I think, what do you do that your partner doesn't know that you do in private or something? And her answer was that she went through my phone and had looked and saw that I had been looking up Apple Watches. So I guess she kind of got the clue that I was trying to surprise her and get an Apple Watch for her without her knowing. So,
I had no clue.
Well, but she saw that I've been looking up Apple Watches. So, yes, I was planning on getting you an Apple Watch. I was planning to spend the money that I was going to use to fix my truck to just get you an Apple Watch.
Yeah, no need for surprises. Surprises, surmises.
Yeah, so now we're just about to go buy an Apple Watch.
Yes.
So she'll be with me to pick it out. Yeah. Meanwhile, we still don't have a truck that runs.
Yeah, two running vehicles.
Alright, here we are at Best Bizzle. About to get an apple whizzle for shizzle. About to go dizzle. I'm about to go back to the crib. Okay, so we've arrived at the Apple Watches. These were the first two we saw, and these were the two that we looked at the whole time. These are both Series 7, I believe. This is the bigger version. This is the smaller version. You can see the comparison in size. One's 41 millimeters, one's 45 millimeters. Shay decided that she wants this one. So now we're just waiting until somebody comes help us out. Alright, so we just got out of the Best Buy, and we see somebody loves their watch.
Miss you. Miss y'all know how many steps I took. Don't know what my heart rate is. Don't know how many hours of sleep I'm getting. Just lost and confused, but now we're reunited. Reunited. It was hot, child, but it was winter. Yeah, I'm happy. Even though I already had my steps, probably got 6,000 steps already today. Who would know? Now I got to start at 3 p.m. is fine. Everything's fine.
Now we get to count our steps.
Everything's fine.
See what time we went to sleep.
Oh, you know what I need?
What do you need?
A charger for this.
Charger?
Yeah.
What happened to your other charger?
That'll work.
Your other watch, it don't charge the same?
The thing. Neither one of it. The cord or the
Oh,
box.
because that's a... Wait, what Apple Watch you got? You got a 7? Bro, how did you talk me into getting a 7?
That's all they got.
The plan was to get an SE.
You still would have needed the same.
We were supposed to get an Apple Watch SE, but we got the latest Apple Watch, which is the 7. So what all does the 7 do that the SE and the 3
I
didn't
just
do?
know it's pretty.
It still counts your steps and
Yeah.
and lets you know what time you went to sleep at.
It's prettier.
Because that's important.
Yes.
Way more important than getting the
Ooh,
truck
and
fixed.
I think my other Apple Watch band should fit on this too.
You should.
Perfect. Perfecto.
Perfecto. So I'm glad that, she's happy and yeah, the world can continue. Alright, what's your next, big dog? Alright, back to the crib. Back to the crib, back to the crib, yeah. Bye, guys. Okay, I just wanted to come on here and let you know that we did also get one more thing from Best Buy, along with Shay's Apple Watch. We also got this interior camera, this setup smart security camera from Blink. It's called the Blink Mini. We plan to put it inside the living room. So pretty much the basis is to see if we can catch Lady using the bathroom in the living room. We think she goes down and sneaks down in the middle of the night and uses it. Because every morning when I go downstairs, I swear I smell dog piss. But I don't know, it might be Shay's flowers on the table blooming and blossoming and all that. But yeah, we're going to set this up in the living room and see what we catch. It records day and night, two-way audio. So if we're away at work, We could just tell lady, hey, no peeing on the couch, or no jumping on that, or stop biting that, or leave that alone, or whatever. It's motion detected, so whenever lady's upstairs, it won't be recording. But as soon as she goes down through the living room, it'll pick it up and start recording, I guess. Cool thing, it also works with Alexa, whatever that may mean. Yeah, day and night HD video, two-way audio, motion detection. Simple setup. So I guess I'm gonna put it up on the wall like that, maybe. Let's see. View live streams or arm and disarm the menu through select Alexa devices. Let's see. Yeah, and we can watch from our phone. So yeah, this was like, I believe it was $34 in the store, but Shay did some kind of sorcery and magic, and she got the price down to $22. So yeah, boom.